Our communities cannot know peace until we see the justice departments hold their own enforcers accountable.
The words of Elijah McClain's mother echoing through Colorado communities after two former Aurora paramedics involved in the 2019 death of her son had their homicide charges reversed.
And this has once again captured the attention of the nation. And tonight, Denver 7's Colette Bordelon pushes again for answers about how and why this happened.
Every page you turn in this story is full of evil.
A Colorado case the community thought was closed.
This nation, as of yesterday morning, should be restless.
Might be heading to another trial.
It was an interesting case because of the fact that not only the officers were charged, but also the paramedics.
This video shows Elijah McClain in August of 2019 buying a few cans of iced tea at a convenience store. A 911 caller reported McClain that night as he was walking home, saying he looked sketchy. Aurora police approached McClain and things escalated quickly. They put him into a carotid hold, which is now banned in Colorado, and paramedics were called to the scene.
He almost did a push-up with all three of us on his back.
Peter Chikuniak and Jeremy Cooper injected McClain with ketamine.
They claimed Elijah McClain had excited delirium, which isn't even a thing.
The 23-year-old was brain dead a few days later. The paramedics were tried together. Chikuniak, the supervisor that night, was found guilty of criminally negligent homicide and second-degree assault. Cooper was convicted of that same homicide charge.
There's a verdict, and then lots of time goes by, and you never know when an appeal is going to come out.
Darcy Kofel, who's been a prosecutor for more than a dozen years, explained the decisions from the Colorado Court of Appeals.
Defense counsel argued that what the jury should be given in their definitions is that the reasonable person should actually be a reasonable paramedic in Aurora at that time period.
The appeals court found the lower court made a mistake and failed to explain to the jury the standard of care connected to criminal negligence after they asked for a definition. The appeals court says that error was not harmless, which is why they say both paramedics should be tried again. Those are decisions Attorney General Phil Weiser plans to fight in court. But the community who's outraged by this latest update in the case.
Your legacy is tied to the murder of Elijah McClain. You made that choice.
Doesn't want to see it taken to trial once again. Colette Bordelon, Denver 7.
Attorneys for the paramedics have either not replied to our interview requests or have told us they, quote, are not taking calls right now.